Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. I'm your class teacher, and today I'm going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn sounds, alphabet sounds from letter M to R. In previous classes, we had studied alphabet sounds from A to L. Now, today I'm going to teach you sound from M to R. So let's begin with the letter M. The first one is capital M and the second one is small m. So let's learn. Milana is a little magician. She has a magical mat. She can change a mushroom into a mango. Now the next letter we have is letter N. The first one is capital N and the second one is small n. Students, a nightingale lives in a neem tree. One stormy night, her nest falls from the tree. There are 9 eggs in the nest. The next letter we have is letter O. The first one is capital O and the second one is a small o. Otto is a baby ostrich. He lives under an oak tree. He likes to eat oranges. One day, Owlie, the owl, comes to meet him. Now the next letter we have is letter P. The first one is capital P and the second one is small p. Princess Pearl lives in a pink palace. She plays the piano and she loves to eat pineapple. So the next letter we have is letter Q. The first one is capital Q and the second one is small q. Quincy has a quail at her palace. This is a quail bird. One day, Quincy falls sick and she becomes quiet. Now the next letter we have is capital R and small r. The first one is capital R and the second one is small r. It is a rainy day. It is a rainy day. Robin wears his red raincoat and goes out. He crosses the river and reaches a garden with the red roses. Red roses.